my god, dude. You're so, so funny.
Like, oh my god, I was just thinking about our boyfriend, Charlie.
I know.
So cute.
Yes, he's so...
He's very strong.
He has a six-pack. I saw it. We went to the beach together.
Fuck, man. Hey, did you hear about the killer?
What killer?
Oh my god, there's a killer in our block.
There is?
Yes. Shocking, huh?
Yes.
My mom doesn't want me playing outside.
Why not?
Because there's a killer out here.
What is he gonna do? I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Help me.
Help me.